Hi guys, this is how I used to put lot of effort and time for cutting any materials for my videos. So I thought it's enough and finally bought a cutting machine which is this, a jigsaw machine. So you might be wondering why I bought this instead of going for a normal circular wood cutting machine. Usually the circular wood cutter is used to cut a straight cuts, which is not very much useful for people who will be working on DIY projects. And also the price of this machine is very high. So coming to the jigsaw machine, you can use this for any curve and circular cuts along with the straight cuts. And also the price is almost half when compared with a circular saw. Coming to the product, this is from iBELL and these are its basic specifications. 230 volt, the rated power is 650 watt, RPM you can change it between 800 to 3000 RPM, and this is a cutting depth 65 mm for wood and 6 mm for steel, and this product also comes with 6 months of warranty. Inside the box there's a user manual, a warranty card, and also they have provided 2 blades, a measurement scale, this is to connect a vacuum dust collector, and finally the machine. It feels quite heavy. I bought this machine for 2200 rupees online, and for the price the quality and the build feels quite good. Coming to all the options, this is a variable switch to turn on the machine, and also you can lock at particular speed. This is an adjustment to vary the speed of the motor. You can vary it from 800 to 3000 RPM based on the material you are cutting. There is one more option for orbital mode selection. This also you can select based on the material you are using. So all these settings they have provided in the user manual. You can refer that. There's a transparent cover to prevent the dust. And this is where we have to fix the blade. So in some of the brands you have to use screwdriver or a Allen key to fix the blade. Here it's very simple. You have to just lift this and insert the blade. There's one more option to adjust the base plate if you want the cuts to be in different angles. So they have mentioned the angles here. You can set it according to a requirement. And this dust collector goes here If you have a vacuum cleaner, you can easily connect this so that it pulls all the dust. And finally, coming to the blade, these blades are of very worst quality. If you want to use this machine, better buy some good blades from hardware shop. Now we'll see how this machine works. As of now, I'll be using the same blade provided in the box. The machine works fine. So later I bought this particular blade and used this with the same machine. So the results were awesome. The machine was able to cut in a smooth way compared to before. So I would highly recommend you also to get some good blades and use this with the machine. Overall, if you want to buy a jigsaw for your home usage or hobbies or DIY projects, then you can definitely go for this. It's a very good product for the price. But if you are into a carpentry or woodwork and need a machine for daily usage, then definitely you should go with some other brands and higher power output. This was all about the product. If you are interested and want to buy it, you will get the product link in the description box. I hope this video will be useful. For any doubts, just leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you again in the next one.